Yep, I got that Aztec in sight, 2 Victor Alpha.
RB2 Victor Alpha, number 3, following that Aztec.
Number 3, following the Aztec, 2 Victor Alpha.
Travis Tower, this is Cessna 296 number Whiskey. We're going to extend our upwind and let this plane go by us.
Cessna 2 from Whiskey, roger. Cessna 519, are you entering left base now?
Affirmative, 519.
Cessna 519, roger, runway 18, clear to land.
Tower, 2 Victor Alpha.
RB2 Victor Alpha, service tower.
Yeah, requesting a northwest bound departure.
RB2 Victor Alpha, proceed on course to northwest.
Proceed on course to northwest, 2 Victor Alpha.
Cessna 17 Charlie, number 2, following Cessna 1 mile final for 18.
Number 2, looking for the traffic, 7 Kilo Charlie. And Travis City Tower, 7 Kilo Charlie, we have that traffic in front of us inside.
Cessna 7 Kilo Charlie, roger, number 2, runway 18, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 18, clear to land, 7 Kilo Charlie.
Aztec 404 Charlie Hotel, number 3, runway 18, clear touch and go.
Tower 42506,
Fido 506, turn left at the end, contact ground point 8.
Ground point 42506.
Aztec 404 Charlie Hotel, number 3, runway 18, clear touch and go.
Number 3, looking for a full stop here at Aztec 4 Charlie Hotel.
Aztec 404 Charlie Hotel, roger, runway 18, clear touch and go, number 3.
Yeah, looking for a full stop for Aztec 4 Charlie Hotel.
Aztec 404 Charlie Hotel, confirm that was you.
Yeah, do you copy Aztec 4 Charlie Hotel?
Aztec 4 Charlie Hotel, A-firm, number 3, runway 18, clear to land.
Number 3, 18, clear to land, Aztec 4 Charlie Hotel.